so dope.
That one's good. Woohoo. And now when I watch it, I'm be like, oh, I was next to when he filmed it.
That was me.
All right.
And everybody's gonna clear the F out.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a hell of a time finding where we park.
It's okay. I have my GPS.
So where's all the merch? We gotta go take it to the car.
We're gonna go pack it.
Did you need help or anything?
I love your
got
creeper
it.
face, Ruben.
Where's the binder?
Hidden.
Alright, well, let's go take care of that.
Yeah, we're gonna go take care of that.
The binder's in my belly.
Alright, we'll walk.
I got hungry.
Your hair looks so fluffy.
Yeah, bitch! Yeah, bitch! I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Do you like how we were playing that for?
It got everybody pumped up.
Oh, yeah.
I honestly thought at first it would be like T-Mills or something, not MGK, right?
Oh, I love
You know what I mean?
T-Mills.
Yeah, I know you